Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, we're gonna learn how to use XLOOKUP. Friends, this is very powerful tool. If you guys have been using VLOOKUP, and when you understand how XLOOKUP works, you will understand how powerful this is because this will make your life much more easier and this is very easy to use. Okay, so without wasting any more time, we will move on to the tutorial right away. So as you can see my screen at the moment, I have this master data file at the moment opened over here that has you can see customer's name, street address, city, state, postal code, and phone number. And I have another sheet opened here which is blank, but I have copied and put all these uh, you know tabs, I could say, the columns over here, so where we will pull out the data. Okay, so to pull out the data, first thing what we need either of these columns. Okay, if we have one column, with the help of XLOOKUP we can pull out rest of the data, but I will start from the very beginning. So for example, I'm gonna pick up all these names, and here we go. I will put all the names here. So basis the customer's name, I'm gonna pull out all the information one by one, and you guys will also understand how easy it could be for you when you start using the XLOOKUP. Okay, so without wasting any more time, the first thing, the next column where the street address is required, we will start with this. So we start with our formula, which is equal sign, and then we start with XLOOKUP. Okay, now what we need is the uh, we have to pick up this cell or the customer's name, and we put a comma over here. Now it says, after we do that, it says lookup array. What would that be? We will come back over here. So we want uh, the array to be picked up is this one. Okay, the customer's name, we will pick up this. Next is a comma that is required, and then it says what we are looking for is the street address. So all we have to do is we have to select this entire row, and there is no comma required, there is nothing required. You only have to close the brackets, and that's it. When you press enter, this will bring the street address over here. Now what we see, we have city, state, postal code, and phone number as well. Okay, and we need these also to be picked up. So over here you see the table or the Excel file. The data you see is quite simple, so it is easy for you to understand. When we come back here, we see that the column C is having city, then D is having the state, and likewise E and F will have the postal code and the phone number. Okay, so this will make the life much more easier. We only come here, we copy this formula, and okay, we copy this formula, this tab, and paste the formula in all the columns one by one here. Okay, now we only have to change what. See, this was B. Okay, this was column B, and this is why when you go inside the formula, you see the column B over here, which is logged. Okay, so similarly, this the city name was lying in the column C, and same we're gonna do over here. We only have to come here and change B to C. That's it. The same thing we'll be doing over here as well. Make it D, and this will be E, and this will be F. Okay, when we hit enter, this will bring all the information that is required, and when we double click this, it will pull out all the data over here. You can see, so This was a very simple process. When you start using, when you get used to it, you will find this very easy to use. And I hope this XLOOKUP is really going to help you out in your day-to-day work at the office, because this is a very powerful and very good tool when you compare it with VLOOKUP. This would make your life very easy as well. If you have liked this video, I would request all of you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share it with others. Thank you very much for watching.